Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you to change your Instagram notification sound. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your settings app on your phone. And then you want to go to make sure you're in the main screen of settings. And then click onto notifications. And then from here, search for Instagram. Then click on the Instagram, and now what you want to do is make sure you toggle allow notifications to on, and then you want to head back, and then from here you want to head back to your Instagram app on your phone, and then click onto your profile and click on the three bars top right hand corner, and then click onto settings and privacy. And then you want to click onto notifications, and then click onto messages, and make sure all of these are toggled to on, like so. And then once you've done that, head back to your settings app on your phone and go all the way to the main screen, and then from here click onto click onto sounds and vibration. And then where it says notification sound, click into that, and then simply change your notification sound to whichever one you want to use. So I'm going to use Lucid, like so. Click back, and that's how you change your Instagram notification sound. But be mindful, it changes your whole system notification sound to that. That's the only way you can change it. Alright, that's the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.